And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy. I'm temporarily out of the computer room for this unboxing. There's a company I bought it from. Okay. Here's a instruction book. Hey, it's got a fairly nice exploded drawing. What we have here is a drill press. Cast iron table. Come out here. A chuck key. Notice it's made out of steel. What else we got here? 3 Allen wrenches. Yeah, there's 3. 3 Allen wrenches. I don't know what this is. Here we have the main portion. Come on. Ah, finally. Got the right angle. And here is our drill chuck. An actual keyed drill chuck. Oh, maybe that's an extra belt. Yeah, it's the same color and size as the one here. Let's plug this baby in. Like I said, let's plug this baby in. Bloody light. There. Okay, that would be your middle speed. Low speed. Not bad. 3 speeds. $89.95. Came to $105 out the door and to my door. Not bad, huh? This Proxon drill press stand. I'd plug it in and have it rotate the drill chuck, but you see, it don't come with one.
Smell anything burning? I'll stab the wood. It's
$109. Yes, I'm recording.
what a difference.
Yeah. Oh, hey, put that down and come over here and critique the difference.
Wow.
An unbiased opinion here.
Damn, this looks like junk and this looks like quality. Am I right?
This is the low speed.
Wow.
That's a low speed
That's
range.
awesome, babe.
Yeah.
What's this?
That's a dry belt.
Wow, it feels hard.
Well, it's
Like it's made out of extra thick weed line.
it's plastic.
I can tell. I'll go away like some corn out there.
And of course, the instructions. Now, I'm not going to mention the company I got this from. This isn't attack another vendor video. Now here, this is pretty nice. We got a AC/DC universal motor, speed control. Like I said, cast iron table. Nice. Now the throw is only an inch, but I wish I'd seen this in the catalog 2 months ago, because it would have already been here and my big milling machine project would be done, finished, or I would have found out that I needed some more tooling and it would be on the way. Now, that this is bad. Aluminum. Not as big. No motor. $20 more than that. I'll leave you to draw your own conclusions. Good night from the living room. You're not going to see me out here very often. Out here on special dispensation from the wife. She chased me into the computer room. But tonight, I'm going to make the best of it. Oh. Both of these pieces of merchandise you see were funded by a generous $600 payment COVID relief from the state of California, and I still have more money left. Yeah, I still have more money left. Good night from California. Let's zoom you out. No. You stay put. You slide. There we go. They call me Papa because partner in crime makes me sound like a bad influence. Good night from California. Stay safe. Wear a mask. Get vaccinated. Wear gloves. And if a stranger gets too close to you, either hit him down to the ground with your walking stick or spray him with Lysol. Your life countermands any of his rights and freedoms. He wants to die? Let him. Far away from you. Good night from California. Come on. There we are.